Okay, now I am going to explain this concept of a transfer pricing today. Here is some little bit of heavy concept and important concept also, if any. Here transfer price. Transfer pricing, actually this terminology. Here, what is the exactly meaning of a transfer pricing? Why we need to discuss about the transfer pricing? In which scenarios, in which business process we need to go and implement transfer pricing? What are the functionalities? What are the methods are available in SAP? All these topics we are going to discuss right now. Here, the question is here transfer pricing means this is a completely internal oriented. Internal oriented means here there is no concept of a customer, end customer. End customer means there is no sale order, delivery, billing, not like that. Only internal concept only. Internal concept plus extra some markup. That is the concept of a transfer pricing. Here, best example means here material transferring one plant to another plant. This is the plant A. This is the plant B. Here plant A and plant B. There are two plants are there. Material is the transfer. Here material cost, suppose material cost and overhead cost here. This is the 100. For example, this is the 50. Total cost is the 150. This is the my cost of goods manufactured of plant A, which is a manufacturing plant. Now I am going to transfer this material plant A to plant B. During the transportation from plant A to plant B, if any additional expenses, if you want to add to plant B cost of goods manufacture, plant B cost, that is nothing but a markup. That is nothing but a transfer price. If any material is a transferring, same material is a transferring plant, one plant to another plant. And here plant A is a suppose is a manufacturing plant. Plant B is nothing but a depot plant, sales plant. Here these both are in our internal only. So material plant A having a cost is a cost of goods manufactured 150 and transfer the cost from A to B. If you want to add some markup cost, that cost is nothing but a markup. That is nothing but a transfer price. Suppose I am going to give here some 5%. 5% means what? How much? 15 5 is 7.57. Okay, we'll make it is a 20% is a 30. Then what is my cost in plant B? Material cost 100, overhead is a 50, and markup cost is a 80. Here the plant B cost is a 180, includes a markup. This extra 30 is nothing but a transfer price. See here, plant A is a manufacturing plant. Okay, only factory cost we are going to load at material cost and production cost. And transferring from one plant to multiple plants across the globe, if you have a multiple plants, okay, some of the business are having a total lot of plants at the depot plants. They are not going to manufacturing anything. Only one is the source plant. Here, this is the destination plant. From here to, they are going to sell to the customer. Or so here in plant A, if you are selling the customer directly, that cost of goods sold is the 150. From plant B, if you are selling the customer, then cost of goods sold is the 180, include a markup. That is a question. Here, so not in all cases, cost of goods sold in plant B is a 180. That is again depends upon the scenario. Depends upon the scenario means here, if you want to cost of goods sold, here material here, yeah. So here, okay, cost of goods manufactured 30 here, 150 and 180 is a legally bounded in plant B because of our expansion, our business expansion purpose. So I opened somewhere location near, which is near to customer. There is no concept of linking with the customer. Only our expansion purpose, my business expansion purpose only, I opened multiple outlets, multiple depot plants across the country. Then what is the, then this extra cost, is there any logic to add to customer? Okay, I don't want bother about the plant B. Okay, you can send the directly customer from plant A to, means that time is the cost of goods sold is a 150 only. Cost plus profit is nothing but a sales. So 150 plus profit, 150 plus profit is nothing but a sales. Sales value is going to change if you are selling a directly customer from plant A. That is a question here. If you are, what is that? How much of correct if you are adding of a markup into the cost of goods sold value? Is it, first of all, is it correct? Is it legally or legally bounded? It's a legally, not a internal concept, not like that. How much of correct concept of a 30 is included in the cost of goods sold? That is a question here. Based on this question, they are going to divide it into two parts. If material is a transfer, one plant to another plant, this plant having a different company code. Here is a question. Here is the company code 1 and company code 2. If company code 1 having a plant A, company code having a different another plant B. If material is a transferring plant A to plant B, then as per the legal of costing, then that cost of goods sold in the plant B is nothing but a 180. It's illegal because of material is moving between two legal entities. So that markup also should be legal. Then that time is a, okay, the cost of goods sold in the plant B is a compulsory is a 180, not 150. If I are selling the customer directly from plant A, okay, 150. If I are selling the customer from plant B, then here is a 180. Because of here, transfer price is added to plant B because of material is a moving cross company code. And one more concept, if material is the same concept, if material is not moving company code between two company code, here company code 1, here also company code 1. In this situation, we should not add this extra markup cost to the legal. Okay, already we paid expenses like transportation expenses, some state to state expenses, freight to some other expenses during that transportation. But material is not moving across the company code. Material is moving within the company code. Company code A, company code A. But plans are same, different plans. Even plans are different plant, but these plans having only one company code, that should not be legally added to the markup to the plan to be material. Then where I want to go and see the results in the that the markup means that is nothing but a profit center valuation. I will explain later this one. So here is not a legal. Here this markup is nothing but a legal. Legal means, okay, you can go and add at the time of a delivery, the cost of goods sold value is the extra cost of goods manufactured plus that markup. That's the transfer price. But in the case of company code, within the company code, that we should not add extra markup to the receiving company code, receiving plant material. Only should go to the 150 only, should not go to the 180. Here the cost is a 150 only, not 130. Here in case of COGM, plant A is a 150, plant B is a 180. But in case of this one, cost of goods manufactured 150, here also 150. Here should not be legal. This
Sir.
process is called as a intercompany. This process we call as a intra-company. Both are purely internal only. We are not going to sell. First of all, we don't know customer when it will come and take the order. That is a different. That is the next. That is a FI people can take care of this one, intercompany billing. But our concept is the how cost is going to added at the time of a trans. Before that, what are the necessity settings? What are the requirement of settings we should do? And how this business, this is the business process. This is not any SAP. This is just like a business process in as you study. If material is a moving one company code to another company code, and within the company code transferring means I want to know how much of a extra charges, and also I want to know elimination of a extra revenue, extra cost. This is my requirement as a client. This is my requirement. Then what you are going to propose in SAP?
Sir.
Yeah.
In second case, that transfer price, we pay the expenses for the 30 rupees trade expenses. That will going to show as expense, but that will not going to show as in the inventory valuation.
That is I will no, I will explain. Still not yet completed theoretically.
Okay, no.
First of all, understand transfer pricing, how many methods we are going to implement. If business case, material is a moving cross company code or intercompany, inter or intra. Then coming to here. Here coming to the NSAP, how this we are going to implement means here, first of all, this is the company code. And the second one is the plant. Third one is the material. Fourth one is the legal valuation, group valuation, and profit center value. Just I will explain this one, profit center valuation concept or legal value, group valuation. Here, first case means what? Intercompany. Intercompany means what is the case here? Material is moving one company code to another company code. Here company code A, company code B. Company code having a plant A, company code having a plant B separately. And material is a same material, is a XYZ material. Here also XYZ material. Here my cost is a material cost plus conversion cost to total cost is a 150 in case of plant A. Here is my cost is a 150 COGM cost. And here material is moving from one company code to another company code as per the costing rule. That 30 should be add here. This is the one more add. Insert. Here is the transfer price. Here is the 30. That 30 here we should add as per the legal. 30 equals to. And for example, here our company currency is the EUR. For example, you can take a EUR, all three currencies same. And group valuation here 150 and the profit center valuation 150 because of the same currency here. And here 180. Then what would be the group valuation here? In second concept. First of all, what is the purpose of the group valuation here? Here, as per the legal concept, material is moving from one legal entity to another legal entity. So transfer price should be added to the cost of goods manufactured up to legal valuation. And I want to know without markup concept in my material master. That is nothing but a Group valuation. Group valuation here, the elimination of a internal cost. So here 150, 150 only. In material is a moving from one company code to another company code. Here profit center valuation is a dummy piece. If you are you activate, okay, activate. If you are not activate also, no issue. So here material is a moving to one company code to another company code. Here legal valuation is a with markup, group valuation is a without markup. Here is the I'm adding of a surcharges cost of goods manufacture. Here is a I'm adding of elimination. Elimination means I don't want to add. Here if you go and check the across the globe level, the cost is a 150 only. But moving here. Then in profit center valuation, in case of moving one company code to another company code, some clients, they don't want to implement also. Because of here, 150, here 150, both are same concept, group and profit center valuation. Why unnecessary to implement valuations? I will go and implement one only. That's why here cross company code normally clients 80% they don't want to go for profit center valuation. This is the first case. Second case, same concept. Second case here. Material company code here also A.
అయితే బ్రష్ చేసుకో.
Then here material is a moving one plant to another plant, different plant compulsory. Here transfer price as per the setup should not here. Here should be. Here 150 only. Here the cost is a here 150 plus 30 here. Here if material is a transferring within the company code, then transfer pricing, profit center valuation coming key play role here. See here, this concept is nothing but intra company. Sorry, this is the intra company. Intra company here, we should not add because of material is not moving one company code to another company code. So that 30 should not add here. And group valuation is in both the cases, group valuation is the elimination purpose only. What is the purpose of the group valuation? Why we need to implement group valuation means elimination of internal cost, whether it is an intercompany or intra-company. In both the cases, 150, 150 only. But here, either legal or profit center valuation only is going to change. If it is a cross company code, that impact transfer price impact is a legal valuation. If it is a intra company, that transfer price adding to the profit center valuation. But here that group valuation is nothing but neutral in both the cases. Purpose of the group valuation implementation means elimination of a internal revenue. Understand here. First of all, why we need to implement group valuation, why we need to implement profit center valuation means group valuation is always internal elimination of extra cost to add to receiving plant company code. And what is the purpose of the legal valuation means? In legal valuation means if any surcharges, if you want to add with the cross company code, then legal valuation we are going to add to the markup. Then why we are going to implement profit center valuation means if it is a material is a moving within the company code plant to plant, then we should not add. We don't have a rights to add that markup to the legal valuation. And where I want to go and add group valuation means is a elimination purpose. So legal and group valuation both are not fit to add markup. So somewhere I want that somewhere is nothing but a profit center valuation. There I want to add that markup to the profit center valuation, receiving company code, receiving plant material. Understand? Here the point is the transfer price. First of all, why we need to implement transfer price? Simply, a lot of people are transfer price, transfer. First of all, what is the purpose of the transfer price? Why we need to implement? Method is a only two concept. This is the purely internal. And point number second point is the if material is moving one plant to another plant, that plant having a different company code or same company code. If it is a different company code, so markup should add it to the legal. If it is a within the company code, that we should add it to the sub. Not should not be legal. Okay, should not be legal means where you are going to aim, that is nothing but a profit center valuation. And I want to know information of along with markup and elimination of internal cost also. The further purpose we should implement group valuation. So what is the purpose of the group and profit center valuation? Means elimination of internal cost for the group valuation and profit center valuation for the intra-company markup display cost. If you are selling the cost, if you are selling the customer, means from plant to B, what is the cost will go? 180 will go. If you are selling the cost, means if you are selling the material from plant to B here, that cost is will go to the 150 will go. Not 180. Only internal purpose only. Profit center means is nothing but a internal purpose only, not a legal. Okay, this is the some theoretical. First of all, why we need to implement? How we are going to implement in SAP? Here, 2 points. One is the left, second one is the right concept. What is mean by left and means is a currency. Left is nothing but a currency. Right is nothing but a valuation. Here is the legal valuation, group valuation, and profit center valuation. Here, legal valuation is always company code currency. We will not change. We can't able to change. So company code currency is nothing but a left side is the one indicates is the company code currency. One is nothing but a company code currency. And the second right side is nothing but a valuation. Valuation is nothing but a zero is the one valuation. Zero is nothing but a legal valuation. So here one is the company code currency and right side indicator number is the zero that indicates is the legal valuation. So 1 plus 0 is 10. This is nothing but a company code currency with legal valuation. Understand here, this is the logic code, how they are going to SAP design like this, mean this one. Second case. Second, group currency. Here, group with currency means what is the concept of group with currency? 3. Right side is the, left side is the 3. And right side is the valuation indicates is nothing but a, what is the valuation? Group valuation, group currency and group valuation, that is nothing but a 1. This is the 3, 1. 3 and 1, 31. So 3 is nothing but what? Group currency. And 1 is nothing but what? Group valuation. Understand like this. And the profit center.
So what is the setup, sir? Is this
Now, first of all, I will explain. Then we'll raise a question. How client is going to require of this one. And again, profit center. Profit center currency of what? Is it a group currency? And valuation, profit center valuation is nothing but 2. So 3 and 2, that is nothing but a 32. Here 3 is nothing but a group currency and 2 is nothing but a profit center valuation. Here. This is the one type of a possible chances SAP available. If a company having a both type of a intercompany and intra-company process. If you want to add surcharges, legal as well as a profit center valuation and elimination purpose group valuation, if you want that to group and profit center valuation group currency, if you want, then this setup is the required 10, 31, 32. This is a material ledger currency type we can call. Okay, this is the material ledger currency type we can call. And one more option. Now I want to know information about the this group valuation, and the profit center valuation also within the company code. I don't want group currency. As per our setup, legal valuation is the EUR, means company code currency, and group currency is the USD and USD. As per our setup, if you are implementing of 10, 31, 32 in material master, we can see EUR, legal valuation, USD, group valuation, USD, profit center valuation, it will come. Now some clients they wanted go for, I want to know group valuation and profit center valuation also company code currency only. Then what is the case? What is the possible option in SAP here? Second option. Same, this will not change. This is the unique. And here group valuation means I want to know information EUR only. EUR means company code currency only. Company code means one only here we should put. And group valuation means the right side is the always group valuation is a 1. So here what? 1 means here 11 will come, not 31. Then here group currency means this is not a group currency. This is the company code currency. Company code currency with group valuation. Company code currency means 1 is the company code currency and right side is the 0 legal valuation. So UAR will come. And if you want profit center valuation also, UR means here UR means then definitely that profit center currency should be company code currency. That currency here 1 we should put. So here 1, 2 means here 1, 2. Then here it's not a group currency. This is the company code currency. Like this. Which means here the possible chances are this is the ML currency type. If clients wanted to group under profit center valuation having a other than the company code currency, controlling area currency or group currency, then we are going to suggest to the customer 10, 31, 32. Or if you want to go for all are within the country, I wanted to. So I have a companies, all companies is as our example is India. I don't have any business outside my country. I have 3-4 company codes are there in India. So all operations within the company, within the India only. So why should I go for other currency? All legal entities, INR, group currency and group valuation as well as profit center valuation, all are within the country only. So within the country means INR only. Then if this type of having any business, then we should go propose to customer 10, 11, 12. If it is across the business, across the country business, definitely is the currency is different. Then we are going to suggest this proposal. Understand here, when we have SAP have a 2 types of a process. One is the group valuation and the profit center valuation. Is it company code currency or group currency? But again, a question here, when we are going to suggest group currency, group valuation, group currency, profit center valuation, or company code currency, group valuation, company code currency, profit center valuation. Means then the business is within the same country. If you want to add markup, cross company code and intra company code, then we are going to suggest 10, 11, 12. If it is across the globe, then we are going to suggest 10, 31, 32.
Sir, are there any chances when this group currency and profit center currency different?
The chances are there. If here, same, my business, good query, good question. Here, my business is the company code India. I have a one company code. Another company code, some other Singapore, I have another company code. Two company codes only have, but India, I have a lot of plans are there. But group currency, both are having India as well as a Singapore. Currency is the common currency I'm going to maintain. That is nothing but USD. But profit center valuation, why? What is the purpose of the profit center valuation? Within the country, within the company code, India company code having a lot of plants are there. I will move materials within the plant. Means within the company code plant means then I don't want to go group currency. I want to go for here. No, not this one. I want to go for a process of profit center valuation in Indian currency only. So here question is the UR 12. This is nothing but a company code currency profit center valuation. 10, 31, 12. When this case, cross company code, different company codes, different areas, different country. So definitely currency is the unique currency. I am going to maintain group currency USD. And profit center valuation purpose means material is moving within the company code, plant to plant. In India only, I am going to transfer the material within the country. So I don't want to go USD profit center valuation. I want to know information of local currency only. So 12 I am going to maintain. So company code currency legal valuation, group currency group valuation, company code currency profit center valuation, we can make it. 10, 31, 12, we can make it. Understand here. Some clients, they don't have a transfer prices, means within the plant, within the company code. So they are going to implement only first two, only cross company code having this one. Some clients, they wanted to go for information without group valuation and profit center valuation only. Only 10 and either 12 or 32 only they wanted to implement. But till now I didn't see. Only first two, so many times I implemented, and this 32 is either along with group valuation or removing. But only for first and three I didn't see, because of here the logically means group valuation is always elimination of internal cost. So that should be compulsory. If a process is within the, then we should go for profit center valuation.
So
Understand?
The third scenario is also an intra-company, na, sir? The third
Huh?
scenario. The third scenario wherein the company code currency and legal valuation equal to company code currency and profit center valuation. It's the intra-company, right? Third scenario. Or
No, all are inter and intra both.
yeah. First
Here,
scenario is intercompany. First scenario is intercompany.
no,
Right?
no. First, second, third, all are inter, intra, both.
Oh, okay.
But which currency you wanted? That's it only for 31, 32, 11, 12, like that's it only.
Okay, okay, okay.
If you don't want of profit center valuation here, then remove. No need to implement here. If you don't want of profit group value, this one cross, remove here. Then what is the meaning of here? Only
Company-
profit center, only intra company. This is the intercompany. I don't want intercompany, and intra-company means remove here. Only just material manufacturing and send to customer. If you are here, means both the company code, means both the business transactions exist. But which currencies you wanted to elimination, which currencies you wanted to mark up. That is only explained by the 3112. And here, second, which currencies you wanted to implement is a group valuation. Is the operations having a within the country, then go and implement 11. And across the country means cross company, one country to another company means currencies are different. So they go and implement 31. We are implementing of a 30, 10, 31, 32, 3 means you can able to implement inter and intra. But which currencies? That is the question. 31 or 11, 12 or 32. That is the question.
Yeah.
Understand, this is the process. This is the overall picture how we are going to. First of all, this is important before going to, because of CKM start concept, before going to CKM start of plant, first you should design this one. That's why I told you always material ledger for other people lost. For me is the first concept. I want to know which currencies, business processes, the intercompany, intracompany exist or not. If it is exist, then which type of a methodology we are going to use? Is it material currencies or material valuations? I want to know elimination of this one means, then I want to skip first what till now, whatever we discussed so many scenarios, I want to skip that one. I don't want a hard currency. I don't want index based currency. I want to go for this one. Here also group currency is there, na? 31. 31 is nothing but what? First to 3 is nothing but group currency only. So company code currency, group currency, both exist. Plus additionally, group valuation and profit center valuation also is there. So I will suggest for 10, 31, 32 or 10, 11, 12. This is scenario I'm going to, I will not suggest for 10, 30. Earlier we did 10, 30, 40 hard currency. I will not suggest that one. Fine. Here already we did controlling area, one controlling area. For already we implemented some 10, 30, 40 hard currency. That will not workable. Same setup, we can't able to set up to the that controlling area. So we need to create a separate controlling area. From there onwards, we have to go start off if we are doing off this setup. Understand, first of all, understand this concept. A lot of people are asking transfer pricing, transfer. First of all, do you know what is the transfer pricing? So something they will tell, something. Then, okay, I want to add surcharges. I don't want to add surcharges. Where I can go and check means, then they can't able to give answer. Because of the purpose of group evaluation, clearly not know everybody this one.
Sir, for transfer pricing, we have given one example here, like material transfer from one plant to another plant, and transfer price got added. Concept of transfer comes into picture. Is there any another business example instead of stocks transfer where the this transfer price concept comes into picture?
And another business means what?
Means here we are teaching transfer price. So we have one business example like material transfer from one plant to another plant where transfer price comes into picture. If same company code or another company code. Is there another business transaction? Is there any another business transaction where the transfer price comes into picture?
No, transfer pricing means this concept only here.
Okay.
Within the concept, this both are internal. Here there is no concept of end customer. End customer, that is a different, that is FI people, FI and SD people will take care. We don't bother about that one. Here is the how we are going to cost. Only material is a transfer. That is the explain. That's the basic definition is the explain transfer. Transfer means what? Plant to plant.
Okay.
So here transfer pricing means material is a transferring one plant to another plant. Then only this will come into picture.
Okay.
So
Okay.
one question here.
Ah.
Actually, our previous client was an it's a service-based company actually. Okay, they were rendering its time and expenses billing they used to perform. But mean the resources they used to transfer the from one company code to other company. For say for example for company A, they are rendering a services to company B. So in that scenario, whenever they, the employee of company A used to render a service to company code B. So even when the time and expenses billing was happening from company A to company B, company A was charging a markup to the company B. So in that case, this is a transfer pricing, right? The price is a charge.
That is a service oriented. Just cost allocation we can go and add while transferring from one means from second company code salaries we are going to pay here because of we are servicing servicing to be. There is no material involvement. This is the material ledger with the concept. This one.
Okay.
That is a service oriented. Service oriented means so no need to create any material first of all.
Yes.
Just only service for that second company code we are supplying for our employees, but they will pay salaries to this company code A. Here there is no material movement. Here
Okay.
completely manufacturing of material. How we are going to load this one? That is no need of this much of just cross company code. One company code, first company code cost center, second company code, second cost center, just transferring cross company code cost center to cost center, either by allocation or some other distribution cycle or assessment cycle, then that's enough.
But that then how about that markup value, sir? Is it an
Markup.
income to the company code A?
No, here there is no concept of income. Where is the income? Until unless you sell the customer to end customer. Here, first of all, where is the end customer?
Yeah, there's no end customer. It's they're just rendering a
just
service.
that's why internal elimination cost.
Mhm.
Okay, now I'm going to start. This is some big process. Okay, you should be patient. Configuration point of view. Configuration big and testing also big. Okay, here I copied one company code separate because of a controlling area. We need to design separately. Controlling area means definitely company code also separately. Same company code I can't able normally SAP will not allow to assign. So just I copied. Yesterday only I copied this one. Same chart of account, same GL account, everything is the same. But here K990 our company code, no? K990 to K99A I created because of I'm going to create one more company code because of material is moving from one company code to another company code. That's why K99A and K99B I will show you how we are going to means I will do copy. Same like that. Same currency, same chart of accounts, everything is the same. Just only change of code. And enter global parameters. If you go and check here, where the setup of FI settings, financial accounting, global settings, global parameters. K990 here. Same setup, all chart of accounts, companies, field status, everything. For next company code, same here. Only company only, just IA maintained. Same chart of accounts, same fiscal year variant, GL accounts, everything is same. Just I copied. Okay. Now go for controlling area. Controlling area also because of once we If you want to create a cost elements, compulsory controlling area required. So this also just I copied. Otherwise, cost elements system will not allow. So K990, K990, K990. Same how this one, controlling area cross company port 30 USD here. And here also
But why are we having a different controlling area?
compulsory. That is a question. Controlling area based on the controlling area setup only, that group and profit center valuation will come. Otherwise, why should I create unnecessary?
No, one, sorry for the
But can it
distance.
not be done within
One
a
controlling area.
No. That's why I told you, na, 10 multiple currencies, multiple valuations based on the company controlling area setup. If it is the same, first of all, why
So,
should I?
but if there are several company codes, then we will have
Several company codes means based on the controlling area only. One controlling area having a two company codes, one company code is the multiple currencies, one company code is multiple values, not like that. Multiple valuations, multiple currencies completely designed in the within the CO controlling. Controlling area is the base, major base is the controlling area. I will show you configuration, then you can able to understand how we are going to need to be created first of all controlling area.
Now we are copying one more, or sir, like we are going like
Each one. Yeah, this I copied from K990 to K99A. Assign K99A company code. Just now same copy. Just only for creation purpose cost element. This only I did. Next onwards, what is the setup, logging setup, I will do. Without the control.
Sir, in ECC, we have a different fiscal area variant or a chart of account, different chart of account. Then only we suggest to create a different controlling area. But
that is a FI
here,
point. That is FI point of view. But here material ledger point of view. First to controlling area, company code currency, group currency, hard currency, all are 000. You know, right side. If you go and check in material master, any material till now what we discussed. Yeah, this one okay. Yesterday. See, legal. Company code currency with legal. Group currency with legal. Hard currency with legal. All are legal. Now I am going to maintain legal, group, and profit center valuation. First of all, that is not a possible. Straight away answer. That's why here, before going to implement, first of all, you should identify which currencies you wanted. Is it valuation point of view or same currency point of view? That's why I told you now always my point of view material ledger is the first point, not a last point.
sir, in normal scenarios, like in live environment, so first we need to identify the valuation and currency
First of all,
already there.
this we need to discuss. First point is discussions with the customer, no product costing, no COPA. That is the next point. This is the first point. If I go any implementation, I will discuss with the customer. This is only. Because of material ledger, the first point. Once I implemented it, now is that now I implemented that 10, 30, 40. Now I want to go implement 10, 31, 32, same company code, same currency means that is not at all possible. No way discussion also.
Because we are implementing profit center valuation and group valuation. For that reason, we are creating one more controlling area. Is that a correct statement, sir?
Not like
No?
that. First of all, controlling area having only one option. Either this or that one.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Because in this controlling area, we have defined the valuation we as legal for all three currencies. And that is the reason we are creating one more controlling area with profit center and for group, right? And for legal.
That is I'm trying to say. Because of two scenarios, I wanted here material ledger is the two options. You heard na? One is the actual costing, that is a by default namesake. Second option, two options. What is the multiple currencies, multiple valuations? You heard na this word? This is nothing but a multiple currencies. Multiple currencies means completely currencies are different, but valuation is the same valuation. But valuation means different. That is nothing but a group valuation and a profit center valuation. First of all, why we should discuss about group and a profit center valuation means if business exists like this, then we should go for design controlling area specific only.
Our current business, our current controlling area settings lies in which scenarios are in out of these three? Like what we discussed, good legal in the second valuation, legal.
Then multiple currencies. Initially, I told you, first I'm going to explain multiple currencies concept. Later, I'm going to explain multiple valuation concept. Both the scenarios I wanted to explore. Now I am going to explain this concept.
And this is just 1 second. So if there are 6 company codes, let's suppose here we will be having 3 controlling areas as per 3 company codes. Let's say we have a 6 company code. How will the controlling area be affected in that case?
And then they tell me, first of all, material is a moving company code to company code or not?
Yeah, it can move from company code 1 to company code 6 or company code 2 to company code 5.
Okay. Then next question, are you want to add a markup or not?
Yeah, the same what is happening with company code for 1 to 3, that can happen with company code 1 to 6, 1 to 4, 1 to 5.
That is okay. That is a clear. But I'm asking question, are you want to add markup or not? Or you want to show the result? Then definitely controlling area, this option only. There is no first option.
That means 6 controlling area and 6 company codes.
1 controlling area, under that company codes, 1 company code to another company code. Yeah, question is the controlling area 1, controlling area 2 is there. Company code 1, company code 2. Here, company code 3. Tell me, what is the material moving which company code to which company code here? Material is a moving possible company code 1 to company code 2 only. Not possible company code 1 to company code 3, company code 2, company code 3. Because of this is the controlling area have a different. When this possible chances means if company code same the one controlling area, then this is the cross company code concept will come into exist.
And suppose, sir, controlling area 1 and controlling area 2 have the same setup, then it is possible?
Not at all possible. No way discussions, because this is a cross company code, not a cross controlling area moving. There is no option. First of all, transfer price is the discussions about the between the legal entities or within the legal entities. That's it only. Controlling area and operating concern and profit center purely internal. This is the only external we are discussing. External means is a company code. Internal means controlling area, cost center, internal order. This is the profit center and operating concern.
I think everyone is confused because we are using two controlling area right now.
No, we are not at all. I'm first controlling area is a K990. That is a multiple currencies I discussed. And now I'm going to create a controlling area K999A. This is the, I'm going to create a company codes here, K99A1, K99B. I'm going to create one more. But this is the just for earlier basics purpose I explained. This is the only for this is setup for purpose only I'm going to discuss.
So in normal business scenarios, like we will at the start itself, we will discuss whether you need transfer price.
This is the most important
Yeah.
thing. After execution, CKM start material created. No. I want to first you created setup material multiple currencies, all are legal valuation material you created. Now client realized I want to go here means that's not possible. Just completely close, re-implement again. There is no option. SAP also will not give any option. Simply they will say consulting issue.
Where in this K99A, now we are implementing multiple currencies with multiple valuation, correct, sir?
Two currencies. No, that is again question.
Oh,
Again,
that is
again that is a
yes,
question. If it is a
Hmm.
same country business, multiple company codes, then why should I go 31, 32?
Yeah. Okay. So now we are implementing first scenario with like cross company code, right? Intercompany.
Again, both I will implement. Inter or intra, both group and profit center I will implement. But which currency? That is the question here.
Which currency? Okay. Euro, USD. Okay. Got it.
Understand, first of all. That's why here very careful. Creation of a company code, okay, they don't bother about that FI point of view. But in S4HANA, they're also linking with material ledger. FINSC underscore ledger. That is also, I will show you. That is also implement linking with material ledger. ECC, no, don't bother about that one. Later we can set up. But in S4HANA, this multiple valuation means is a very, very complicated concept. Make sure 100%, 200% which scenarios client wanted. After moving, after testing, creating a material, then if you want to deactivating means is a lot of complicated. Even quality also, late production, okay, that is another buzz, let's say later. Even quality also. Go and re-implement one more time. That's it only. No option, no other option. So here, this is setup I'm going to explain. Because of company code currency 30 and group currency profit center valuation, we can 10, even 32. Only three options on means only three currencies only maximum we can able to implement. For that purpose, created here controlling area with currency 30. 30 is nothing but a USD. That is coming from which one, where this 30 is coming from? SEC4. Okay, now start. Versions. Here, till now, we used only one version. That is nothing but a legal valuation. Legal version is the 0, that is the standard. But here we are going to implement versions. The one more thing I wanted to show here. This is the ChatGPT concept. This one. Are you people using ChatGPT? No, na?
No, sir.
Yeah, because of here, ChatGPT is the most important. See here.
4 is already paid services. 3, it's allowing us to use.
Which one?
GPT 3 version.
3.54.
Yeah, 3.5. 4 is paid, I think. Yes.
3.5. Anyway, that's a small amount. That's not a good concept. Hey, this is a good concept. No? Here, see, I prepared prompt also for this. Everything I'm going to prepare a prompt because of I'm learning prompt engineering. Where it is. Prompts. Oh, not saved. All these are prompts only. Yeah, this is the prompt. Just I designed. Just go and check this one. Plan to UML web. So this is also one type of a free option. If you give here will come. Just like this. This is a prompt how we are going to design. This is a oh God, what happened? This one. SAP transfer price intercompany intra-company. Transfer pricing setup. Price used internal transactions only. I told you internal. One is the intercompany, second one is the intra-company. Transaction intercompany means transactions between company codes. Transactions within the company. Here is the additive cost. I will tell you. Additive cost is the one type of a markup concept. In case of a intercompany, here legal valuation. Here intra-company, how we are going to mark up, that is nothing but a transfer price for profit center valuation. So price for internal transactions within the profit center, additional cost in the intercompany transactions. Use na ChatGPT and a lot of AI tools are there. Updation are there. Say one more here I want to show you. This one. Complete organizational structure also recently I designed. Add to UML. Just for I will show you. This is the company code. This is one more prompt. See, this is a complete enterprise structure. Operating concern, controlling area having a company code chart of accounts, under which GL accounts, plant, storage location, purchasing organization, everything here. Under controlling area having a profit center standard hierarchy, cost center hierarchy, under which profit centers, cost centers. This is overall org structure. Lot of scenarios. Use here also you can use. Anyway, I made it here, posted here. Where is the Excel sheet? Use na ChatGPT 3.54 is a good for learning purpose. Yeah, this one I just copy paste. Okay. Now I am going to implement here. See here, 0. Make it here. I will make it step by step because of his. I will also forget. Version. First. Maintain version. Version means here 0 is the legal. Some other I'm going to create anyway K91 and K92. This is the legal. This is the standard already available. This is the for group I'm going to create. This is the for PC profit center I'm going to create. 2 additional new versions we need to create. That is the first setup is the and the transaction course also. Okay, EQ. This is the first initial setup. So listen some patiently because of some little bit heavy. Sometimes I will also confuse. Okay. Here, just select, copy here. K91, K9990, group valuation. This is a text code. Valuation here. Plan, actual, WAP, variance and settlement. Same. Enter. Okay, this enter. Do you want also dependent? No. Just here only group valuation text means this will not act as a group valuation. Where we have to go somewhere. Where means that will show save. Select. Click on controlling area settings. Here. Version K91 does not exist. We should create. Yes, we should create. Here we should select K91 group valuation. Here is the options are available. This is the linking. See, this option designed, oh, controlling here, no, not this one. Okay, go back. He is going to earlier controlling area setup. Where is the controlling areas? Okay, KS. This is the setup for controlling area. K99A. Save. Versions. Here. K91. Select. Double click on controlling area. Here we should select. Version 95 does not exist in the K99A controlling area. Yes. Here we should see. Group evaluation. Here. Group evaluation compulsory automatically system will calculate the actuals in terms of standard costing, preliminary costing, simultaneous costing, WAP, variance, settlement, anywhere. All. And here valuation we should select here. Then only K91 will act as a group valuation. And here WAP variance also we are going to calculate for along with the zero version, means backend automatically will come here. Save. What is the addictive version? Oh, yeah, one thing. This one. One more most important here. Group and profit center valuation. We will not go for KP06, this version K91, KP26, K91, KSPI 0, KSII, everything only for 0 version only, not for group and profit center valuation. That's why system is throwing here. Don't go for plan concept, only for actuals, WAP variance. It means only for actuals as well as month-end activities only, no for plan. Back and here give for select, double click on settings for each fiscal year. Here new entries, give fiscal year 2023. Exchange rate at type P and value date is 00/2023. Format, something format people change. Enter. And the price calculation. Price calculation same. Periodic price and revaluation of a own business transaction. Save. Like this, first we need to create a second. Similarly, second version also means K select 92. Here is the profit center valuation. Same, enter. No, don't create because of automatically we'll select legal group valuation only. So click on no, save, select K92, controlling area setup here does not exist. Should we create? Yes, we could create. Profit center valuation, deactivate here this one, and actual WAP variance here we should select profit center valuation. Save. Then go one step back. Here, select 0 and K91, K92. Double click on this one, 3 will come. Here should be assigned. When this will come, before going to just one step before of CKM start, we should come and check here. Valuation profile and versions are consistent. When this will come green status means after completion of all configuration setups F5 as well as CO. Before going to one step before, I will come same screen. I will check here where it's a green, then only I will do for CKM start. Otherwise, I will not do. For normal multiple currencies, no bother about this concept. Multiple valuation means a lot of configuration setups we have to careful. So first initially we should do. But this is not a finish. Just for 0 is the legal, K91 is the group, K92 is the profit center valuation. This is the first initial step. And here also double click, new entries, exchange rate type, devaluation of a own business standard. This is the same. Then back. Now go for here some zigzagging. Some I will go for FI, I will go for ML, I will go for product like that. First go for here, close, come down. Manage multiple valuations approach and transfer prices. Enter basic settings. Here, maintain currency profile, currency and valuation profile. This one. New entries. Here, K99 is the text code. K99A, K990. Multiple valuation. Save. Select, double click here. Here is the decide. Earlier, which one? K990 I created earlier. Oh, okay. Next is that I will details here. 10 I told you na that legal valuation by default is a compulsory here. This is the default 10 option. 10 means this is the code. How this 10 came means this is the logic only. Left and right. Combination of left and right means the 10 that will company code with legal valuation. 1 is nothing but a company code. 0 is a legal valuation. Then here we should decide which currencies 10, 31, 32 or 10, 11, 12 or 10, 31, 32. Here only we should decide. Okay. Here is some 20 currency here. Left side always 2 only. See here 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3 only, not 3. So left, this is the left side. So this is the left side 3 only. Group currency. And here group currency, here group valuation. So what here is the group valuation, which means 30 plus 1 to 1, 31. Second here 30, same group currency with the profit center valuation. Enter. Save. I open the not open. Enter. This one. Back. This is the first step. Here only we should decide which one, 10, 31, 32 or 10, 11, 12 or 10, 11. After here also, after setup of 10, 31, 32 and CKM start done. Now I want to go change 10, 11, 12 means that is also not possible. Here in S4HANA, ECC, okay, left and right I can use. But in S4HANA, lot of, because of this is everything is a linking with to some common table, AC Docker. Lot of precautions we should take care. So this is setup I did now.
Sir, for K990, did we use the same? Did we have the different setup here, or we didn't have any setup?
We don't have any setup. Next setup I will show you. First one and second one. What is the comparison? Here, this controlling area currency profile need to be assigned to the controlling area. In first case, that is not required. See here, I will show you. K990. Here K990, I didn't assign any currency and valuation profile. Just now what I assigned, Ken 10, 30, 30 legal group profit center value. For this, compulsory here. Currency and valuation profile. Just now whatever we created. This one. See, this is the first scenario. I didn't assign anything. Save. And go and check in OKKP controlling area setup. I will also show you the difference between earlier controlling area, this controlling area. Okay. K990. See here, this box. Empty. Second controlling area, just now I added. Because of this is the controlling area itself is a decide whether is a multiple valuation, multiple currencies. If you are not assigning here, this is the multiple currencies.
With the legal evaluation.
Legal for all legal. Either 1 or 2 or 3. But if you wanted to valuations, this compulsory. That is the first. That's why here controlling area I created separate. Because of already I did a lot of things I did. I can't able to go and assign now here itself. System will go dump. That's it only finally. Okay, this is the setup. If you are assigning here, this will come here. This is the second step.
The current setup doesn't have a link to the earlier setup.
No. This is a valuation profile. Valuation profile with this one. The actual first one is not required. This currency and valuation profile is not required for all currencies are legal. When this question, if it is a multiple valuations concept came, then this compulsory that should be update here, controlling area. That is the concept here. Currency / valuation profile. This link. Activation also later, that I will explain. Then go for material ledger. Go for here. Control product cost controlling. Material actual costing here. New entries. First, what we created here, K99. This one we created. K9990. What is the characteristics? This we did. 10, 30, 40. That's why here material master. Where it is material master. MM03, any material. This is the 1030 means UR, USD, USD that will come here. Legal group on hard currency. See here, company code currency, group currency, hard currency based on this only here will come. Now I am going to create a new one. K99A is a text code. ML currency and valuation profile. CVP. Enter. Here I should decide. Company code by default will come. New entries here will come. Which one? Lot of leave it here. We assigned 31. Enter. And 32. This is the based on the first scenario, first one what I created, currency and valuation profile. If you assign 10, 31, 32 there, currency 30 plus group valuation, 30 plus profit center valuation, same setup here we should do. There you 30, 30 gave, here 11, 12 means again some inconsistency will come. Make sure, say all are dependent. 10, 31, 32. 31 means group currency, group valuation. 32 means 3 is a group currency, profit center valuation. And this in S4HANA, this is going to link our FINSC ledger. Financial accounting, ledger, ledgers. Here is the. That's why here is the. If it is not linked to this concept, then here also in S4HANA also no issue. In material ledger, not that much of a complicated. Once they linked with the FINSC ledger, then is a some most complicated concept. Enter. Select 0L. Company code setup. Enter. Automatically will come here K99. A. Here. 10 company code currency, group currency will come. But here, whatever we decided here, 31 and 32, here we should do. And if you want to update here, go on last. Here is the 31 second financial currency, 32. Here we should assign. Yeah, we should assign. Save. Done. Here 11 and 12 also system will ask. Even there is no logic for assigning of 11 and 12. I will tell you when system is going to ask, we should add here 11 and 12 also. I will tell you when it will come on us. The first, after completion of a currency profile and a material ledger tab, again we should come and assign here our controlling our company code setup here. Then go for again. Next, some zigzagging, it will go controlling area, organization, define ledgers for CO version. Not only for FINSC underscore ledger for version ledger 0L. That ledger we should assign here. Legal and group and profit center valuation. Here. K99A. Okay, not there. New entries. K99A. Controlling area. Version 0. 0 version, our version. 3 versions are there. 3 versions will come. 0 version. Ledger is the 0L. Then automatically legal valuation will come here. This is a link up from previous configuration. And the second, K99A, second version. Just now I created na K91. K91, ledger is the 0L, enter, enter. Here is the group valuation. Automatically will come. And third one is the K99A. What is the version? K92. Ledger is the 0L. Enter. Profit center valuation. This is the extra step. Here there is no, because of FI and CO, how it is going to link with reconcile means FINSC underscore ledger, we should set up 0L 31, 32. Same ledger we should assign to the valuations, group valuation and the profit center valuation. Then only that will go on both are reconcile.
How you come to this screen? Maybe I missed. Sorry.
Here only, controlling area only. Next step. Basic controlling area is there now. Immediate to next version after maintain version.
Define ledger in CO1. Okay.
Same when we should do immediate after FINSC underscore ledger only. It's a link.
Okay, so whatever CO version we created, the FI ledger should be assigned to that CO version, other than 0.
Same
Because for-
whatever doing na, same step, same sequence only you should go.
Because for when we create 0 version, 0 CO version, that we have not assigned to 0, it will automatically assign.
That is automatically. Once
Okay.
you created new versions, na, that is a who should
That is
assign.
okay.
Now go for remaining material ledger. Once you set up of FINSC ledger for FI point of view ledger CO, then only here should be green status. Assign material ledger type to plant. New entries. Plant K99A. Material ledger type K99A enter. Here they should be green. Otherwise will not be green. See here 10, 31, 32. 30 is the group currency FINSC ledger. So that will not applicable in material ledger, but apply in FI. With of ML, only 3 currencies only. Legal group and profit center. Means only 3 places only. But fourth place, FI point of view, okay. But ML point of view, not okay like that. So he should be green status of 10, 31, 32. Save. Then as it is. Next, common setups all. How we did earlier. Same now also. Position. K99. See here. Plant. Not here. Plant. Company code. Material ledger. Here also should be 103132 with tick box status. Here is activation and material ledger price determination 3. Save. Activated.
All these configuration we are doing for stock valuation in multiple currency, multiple valuation. Correct? All these. Okay.
Then remaining steps same. Maintain number ranges for material ledger documents ML for postings. What is the document type? At the time of a post closing ML 47. This is also I copied. I think all came. I copied. Oh, I forget. I will copy all. From K990 to K99A. This was a missed out. Otherwise, I copied all. Escape, copy. Back. Then configure price dynamic price changes. Same, this one need to be activated K99 1. Next, material update structure by default will update and assigned also here. See here K99A by default assigned. And actual costing. Activate actual costing. Yeah, 2-step. If you want actual costing for this also, yeah, we can able to. We should activate here. And revaluation of activities. How we are going to do? Is it material level? Is it order level? That will decide here. that will decide here. Earlier we have seen this revaluation of orders. So we will go for revaluation of activities at material ledger level. This we'll see. See here, first I I executed revaluation of activities. That's why this cost center balance is getting a 0. But this I'm going to maintain 2. So we should not do revaluation of activities. Revaluation of activities is a product costing of a process order, but that will drive by this setup.
That will done by CKML at the time of.
CKML settlement time, automatically revaluation will come into picture. Back. Then go for where? Profit center valuation. And here profit center valuation we did here. Then that profit center valuation, basic settings, set controlling area is our controlling area. Controlling area setup, maintain controlling area settings. Yeah, same standard hierarchy. I told you one controlling area having only one standard hierarchy. And here profit center currency, profit center currency. Here USD only I'm going to. Here is the earlier scenario, standard profit center hierarchy for controlling area. We maintain the legal valuation. Because of there is no option multiple valuation concept. But in this case, we should make it as a profit center valuation. If you are trying to legal valuation, system will throw error. Because of you made it as a material ledger valuation and controlling area setup. So profit center standard hierarchy should be profit center valuation compulsory. Earlier we didn't see this issue. System allowed because of we didn't maintain currency and valuation profile assigned to the controlling area and the material ledger type 10, 30, 31, FINS. We didn't. That's why system is going to allow legal. But here, without the profit center valuation, system will not allow. So here, compulsory profit center valuation. So this is the most important point. If you forget here, again, profit center valuation concept will not come into picture. Profit center valuation means intra company concept will not come into picture. Back. Now go. One thing here. Oh, steps. Okay, I will ask. I will do last. Here, while doing a CK11N or CK40N, we did standard cost estimation only one time only, na? CK11N is a one time and CK40N is a one time only. Because of that is nothing but a legal valuation. But here other valuations are there. So that is the valuations are group valuations and profit center valuations. Legal valuation means that is a costing variant is the PPC1. So that will go on the update in the material master first box. Then automatically that legal valuation, second currency, third currency, automatically that will managed by the OB08 currency conversion factor. That is a multiple currencies. No need to run for second and third currencies. That automatically this currency will convert this currency will convert to this currency. We did here UR and USD and some other currency. I think AED something is there. Automatically currencies will convert from UR to USD, UR to AED. But whereas in multiple currencies, if you want to update standard price in the group valuation, we should run separate costing variant. And if you want cost for profit center valuation, this also we should run for separate profit center valuation, which means here CK11N for each material we should run 3 times. In CK40N also we should run 3 times for each material if you want to activate this concept. Earlier case is the only one time is enough that automatically conversion from EUR to USD. But here concept is the valuations. Valuations will not come automatically. We should execute, that is the depends upon the valuation. Then here, this is the costing variant. And here, how this is going to exactly update in the material master legal box means same concept where costing type. Here costing type legal means 01 we did. And group valuation profit center valuation, here is the G1 and P1. So any code we can do, but the standard is the G1, P1. G is the group valuation, P is the profit center valuation, like that. So here for doing of a standard cost estimation, we should run for 3 times every material for each costing variant, each valuation point, each valuations having a one separate costing variant, each costing variant having a separate costing type. So 3 costing type compulsory, 3 costing variant compulsory if you wanted to implement this scenario. So I will show you here. Go to again product costing. Product costing, product cost planning, material costing. Here costing variant components. Here is the costing type. Yeah, this is the 0. This is the GV and PV. Here selected items like this. See here, double click standard price with legal valuation. Go back, double click on GV, standard price with legal valuation. Back, double click on this one, standard price with profit center valuation. Here only one client we can able to create only one. If you want to create another, system will not accept. That's why here same we are going to use. Here this is the GV. This is the PV. This is normally standard SAP, like how 01. Here also this. Here what is the link? Only GV PV is a text code. What is the backend means? Here is the valuations. Here is change mode. Even change mode also system will not allow to modify here. So here only one client 01, P1 and G1 means, which means all are valuations for one system environment. Here one only. First one is the legal valuation, second and third is the group and profit center valuation. This group and profit center valuation. This group and profit center valuation need to be assigned 1:1 to costing variant. Same 01. 01 means what? PPC1. Here PPC1 having a costing type. This is the PPC1. And the second costing variant, here ZPC1. Double click on ZPC1. Here is the costing type group valuation. Same that we need to assign here. Which one? GV. Remaining is everything set up, but a costing type and value costing variant is a compulsory. And the same second concept, profit center valuation, costing type is the profit center valuation. So ZPC1, ZPC2, and PPC1. These three costing variants we should execute for each material standard costing time. Either you can go for CK11 or by CK40 and whatever it may be, you should execute. Each execution, then that boxes will fill, which means in first box means PPC1, second box group evaluation by ZPC1, third box ZPC2 in material master. Save.
So, costing sheet assignment, all are there already? Or?
No, not there. Casting, I didn't do anything. Only for FI only I did. Now go for here. Go and assign to the our plant. Which one? 01. Double click. Valuation variant. New entries here. 001. New 001. And our plant is a K99A. Why is it empty? No, go back. Back. Define casting variant. I will do copy. PPC1. Valuation variant. 001. K99. This combination I will do copy. Select A. Save. Why I selected here means same casting sheet I will go and use. Just only I will change controlling area. No need to create. Same, just I assign to the company. Back. This is the one to set up. And the most important cost component structure. Basic settings. Define cost component structure. Yesterday, one news. Yesterday, I took 2023 system. Here, there is no cost component structure. Some other quantity cost component structure came in this place.
Oh.
Yesterday only I purchased the system because of I'm also doing practicing. I'm also learning experiencing. New version came.
Just name change or same process?
No. Compressor process I will show you. So I struggled there. Okay, motor this one. I will check with him is a password. It's a 2023. What happened? Okay. 2023 system, this one. How we can identify? Status. You don't know. As of now, I identified that only here. See, 2023. See here. SPRO. Controlling. Product cost controlling. Planning. Basic settings. define quantity component structure. If we enter, something different screen came. I didn't understand what is the CO type E and select UCP. First of all, I don't know what is the UCP. SAP didn't give any option. Quantity component structure. See here, something. Here also GHG scope 3. Anyway, I will, because of he has some SAP partner, he will get the data by end of this month. Like that, day to day is updating. We still follow same rules and regulations means then we will back from few means this far away market. So day to day you have to update. Yesterday only I saw this. He asked, was a huge cost 20. I wanted system cost is a letter, because if I want to upgrade myself, then only I will have a market in the upcoming is. Definitely I will check. Okay, this is the necessary, because just for this is updation how 2023. You don't know, keep on adding. So that's why here is clients argue with the SAP people. At least you should be 2 years at least once. 2023 means 2 years. Here 2022, this year January came. End of the December gone. Then 2023 is coming. Then their client is strongly argued with SAP. They are 2023 2 years. Means 2024 and 2025. 2025 ending, 2025 will come. No 2024 concept. Here just some theory apps they are going to add. That's it only. Some other unnecessary things are confusing for us. That's it only. But anyway, debit consumption, credit inventory consumption, same thing. Accounting entries, they will not change. Only for execution and transaction codes, table level data, theory apps, these are going only play with us. Anyway, finance, profit and loss account, balance sheet, they don't have a rights to. First of all, this is universal. Only for this only they are going to play. Okay, this is just for telling, just update day to day. Only for this concept CK11 100 times CK11 what we will get, 100 times CKMLCP what we will get. What is our K9? Same cost to component structure here. Go. I am not using of same cost components because of some more I am going to add here. So select, copy K8 or KA. Copy, just copy one I will do. K9 and A. Enter. All copy. Save. Done. Select. All will come automatically. Same here. KA. And each all cost elements, everything is the same. Chart of account, same idea. Here, extra additionally, I am going to add here. Which one means? And also one more thing, before going to first, I will remove here. K99. What is the company code here? Okay, this is not ours, no? KA, okay, no issue. Go to here, select KA here. Everything, whatever we discussed earlier, same setup, all scenarios, byproduct, additive cost, everything, subcontracting, repairs and maintenance, everything is there. And plus additionally, we are going to add group valuation and profit center valuation. That we need to discuss here. New entries here, cost component structure. Here 200. Here is the intercompany and intra-company. Intra-company means it's nothing but a group valuation. Then this intercompany should not be relevant of COGM, should not be relevant of inventory, should not be relevant of this one. Because of legal only should here. What is the logic cover? Go back here. This is the setup I am going to do. If you want to see group valuation, group valuation, I am not going to add any markup here, 30. So that 30 should not add to the group valuation. That's why here should not be not relevant for all cases. Then come down, delta profit for group costing. What is the exact meaning? Means material ledger with multiple valuation, group valuation, we should put here. Company code. If you want to make it here intercompany means, if you're selecting of a company code means, what is the indication of a 200? 200 is the elimination of a internal group revenue. That is nothing but a group valuation. If you try to company code with cost of goods sold, enter your inventory valuation, system will throw error. Delta profits, which means markup, should not add to the inventory valuation, which means here this 30 should not add to the group valuation in the both the cases. See here, I didn't maintain anything in the first case as well as the second case. So as per the legal, profit means delta profit. Delta profit means internal revenue, internal cost should not added to the inventory valuation. So we should not add not relevant and not, then only system will allow, otherwise will not allow. Save.
If we don't want to add this expense or this component, then why we creating this component?
Then I will show. It's a good question.
Okay,
While doing casting, I will show you.
Okay.
Second, this is the group valuation, cross company code. This is the intercompany. This is intra-company. Same. Go for 200. Okay, 210 new entries. 210. This is the intra-company. It's nothing but here also should not be add COGS, should not be, and should be profit center. Here also, if you try to fix a variable, again system will throw error. Same logic, that markup should add this one. Loaded. That is the concept here. So delta profit group costing should not be any valuation. That is the logic. If you try to miss, system will not allow. Enter. Oh, here I made it. Enter, save. This is the extras 2 for earlier cases not required. Up to 190 I did. For this case, intercompany, intracompany, so we can make it as a group valuation. The text. This is nothing but a PC valuation. A text code only. Save. And assignment of a organization company core structure here. Go for K99A plant. Make it here 2 plants I'm going to create. And costing variant. PPC1 required, ZPC1 required, ZPC2 required. So instead of assign all 3 costing variants, make it as a costing variant and make it as a 2023. What is our here? KA. Save. Where it is? K99A. company code. Yeah. K99A. Not saved. This one. Then go to the cost component structure. Should be active. Here. This is the important step in cost component structure. Cost component structure, if you want to run at the time of a standard cost estimation, delta profit in terms of intercompany, in terms of intra-company, we have to create two additional cost component. No need to any GL accounts. See, one more thing. I didn't assign any GL accounts here. No need to any GL accounts, only for information purpose only. Both the cases, not for group valuation, not for profit center valuation, just for delta profit purpose only. One for company code, one for profit center.
So may I ask a question here?
Sure.
So like in my company, we have a transfer pricing activator, but we don't have this cost component structure assigned. So is it possible, like if we even don't assign here?
Yeah, possible. This is only for display.
Then what's the use here? Like display, okay, but if we are not assigning any cost element, then how the source will come here? Like how the cost will display?
That is a linking, that is a costing variant, ZPC1. That ZPC1, how much of a marking? Yes, this is only display. How markup? That is the next time I'm going to explain.
Okay.
Only setup here. This is not a compulsory. Actually, 200, 210 is actually speaking not a compulsory. Only if you want CK11 and time or CK40 and time, how much of legal, how much of a group, how much of profit center, display without markup, with markup, only that purpose only. With this, without this setup, it will not impact any inventory valuation. If it is there, if it is not there, inventory no impact. First of all, this is meaning of in no irrelevant, na?
Yeah.
Only for information only.
Okay.
Just for
maybe
seeing. At the time of, I will show you.
Yeah, maybe in coming classes I can see the use of this. Okay.
And next. Now go for, we almost reached, and profitability analysis. COPA, same controlling and the same operating concern I am going to assign here. Activate, because of controlling it a new one. Na? That's why we should assign 99A. What is not activate? Oh, sorry.
So it was assigned to company.
Yeah, enterprise structure. First, we should assign to the enterprise structure. First, and without enterprise structure, how is a meaningless directly. Controlling area. Assign controlling area to operating concern. K99 here. Same operating concern I am using. Same characteristics value, nothing. K990. Save. Now then activate. Come down. Controlling area, profitability analysis, flow of actual value. Activate. Here. Activate margin analysis. Now okay. Go for, before going to CKM start, 2 steps compulsory you should check. If you thorough also, multiple times also, you should check before going to CKM start. I will tell you. First, controlling area, product cost, general controlling, Main is here. Level of details here. Earlier we created, not here, activation. Yeah. Earlier we created basic settings for currency and valuation profile. That we should activate here. Multiple valuations approaches here. You see, before going to activation, I will show you impact. OK, KP controlling area. K99A. Here just we assigned, but not activated. For this activation purpose, he should do here. Multiple valuations activation here. Execute. Controlling area K99A. Just to check activation. Should not be any error. Even warning, okay, no issue. Here in this setup. Activate. Okay, this is not issue. Here will come. See here. First box is the currency and valuation profile K99A. These are valuations 0, 1, 2. 0 is nothing but illegal. 1 is the group. 2 is the profit center. Then what we did in 10, 30, 30 we selected. What is a 10, 30, 30 means linked with 10 goes to the 0. K91 version goes to the 30. K92 version goes to the 30 group currency. And here material ledger 10 company code currency, what we maintain, not 11, not 12. So 31 company code currency group valuation, sorry, company code group currency group valuation and group currency profit center valuation. Okay, and everything here plays down. OBYC setup also will come here. All OBYC setup here come down. Lot of big concept here. PCA. This one. Anyway, that is not required. Here should be active, should not be any error. 3 steps here. One is the version, second one is the version to VTL ledger, third one is the 31, 32 with 10. So currency and valuation profile compulsory. Go back, activate, then execute. Okay. Here, activate profile. Should not be any error. First important before going to CKM start. Here is a error means here. Currency and valuation profile set successfully. Then here check here. This will activate. Go back. Okay, KP. A99A. C activate. Without this, we should not at all run CKM start. Otherwise, multiple valuation will not updated here, our controlling area. This is the step number 1. Step number 2. Which one we should check one more?
The version.
Version, yeah. Good. Version, that should be also green. If it is any red, again we have to go check all step by step. Version 0. What is our K? K1, not K1. K91, 92. Double click on controlling area version. G here. Valuation. This compulsory should be. Once you did all perfectly, everything all, then automatically will come. No need to activate anything here. See here. Legal 0, 1 goes to K91, 2 goes to K92. So valuation profile are consistent. This we should do. So once you do of this one, then you can go for CKM start.
There is one more check in ML, like, but that is not for this, I think so. In ML material ledger, there is one check accounts and this in material ledger, but that is not relevant to this valuation.
No. Which one? Tell me, I will tell.
I don't remember exactly, but once we activate material ledger, there is one more check there. Check accounts in.
So before or after?
After material ledger.
After I will tell you. Before, okay. This is a compulsory.
Okay.
Go for CKM START. Here I told you, na, should not be any warning message, should not be any way error message, should not be in warning also. K99A background. First, make it as a test. Here should come 10, 31 and 32. Earlier case 10, 30, 40. Now should come 10, 30, 30, 31, 32. See, company code with legal valuation, group currency, group valuation, group currency, profit center valuation. No error, no stop, no warning. All should be 0. Only green. Here should not be even warning also. Normally warnings, we will not bother about the warnings, SAP consultants. So can be productive. Then back, remove test and then execute. Yeah. Now is the ready. Then here. So here what? This one. Okay, leave it here, this one. If you want, this is a one company code K99A. I didn't plant K99A. Correct now? And this is the intercompany. This is the intra-company. Means here, this is the K99A. Here also K99A. Here is the plant is the K99A I'm going to use. B I'm going to create here. In this case, this is the concept of intercompany. Sorry, intra-company. This is nothing but a intercompany. So for doing of this setup, I want to one more company code here. K99B. Correct, na? Here is the not required because of here material is transferring within the company. Here not required, a separate company code. Here is the company code is required. So just whatever the setup have a K99A, just copy to K998 with all GL accounts, everything. Okay, go back. SPRO. No, we can't. That's why I'm telling. No, otherwise, go to enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting. This one. Edit, copy, delete, check company code. Edit. Oh, no, sorry. Here, Just copy. Earlier I did, same now I am going to do. From K99A to K99B I am going to create. New one here itself. Enter. Do you want to copy all GL accounts? Yes. Do you want to assignment of a controlling area? That also yes, because of same controlling area. Do you want to allocation different currency? Means no, same currency only. Okay, that's what we need to see. Which one not? Customizing inconsistency. First, we need to set up later. Do you want to know? No transportation access. It means GL accounts, everything, assignment, everything, same concept only.
Sir, when we create new company code, this is FI question actually. Once we create new company code, SAP say that there is a template per company code, like 001 for one country, 002 for another country. Should we copy from that and create our company as per our country, or should we create the new one? What do you recommend when creating company?
My recommendation always go for new entries.
New company code. Okay.
Copy means automatically will copy. But again, we should go and check where the modifications is required.
Okay. So create our own company code, then create our own chart and GL. Okay.
Anyway, chart of accounts is a completely different, no?
Oh yeah.
Clients they wanted to, some clients they wanted 0, some clients they wanted to go for here. Locked bhaiya. That is a oh.
Lock somebody lock.
I only. This is my
Okay.
user
Okay.
Somewhere I opened something. Okay, but I will check it here. Copy K9 on K99B. Edit. Who is a it's a common system is this issue. Someone is open. Normally live environment this issue will not come. K9 here B. This is just B. Same earlier I did. Same save. Chart of accounts, GL accounts, everything is the same only. So this K99B and K company code K99B having a separate plant K99B. Because of here same plant, this plant we can't able to assign to the 2 company codes. 1:1 only. But one company code can have a multiple plants. That is okay possible. But one plant we can't assign to the multiple company. This is not a correct process also. So K99B I'm going to create. But K99B here we should not do copy. If you are copy means this K99B will assign to the this company code. So don't go for copy of second company code plant. Second company code plant we should create only, not for this one. This is not a big deal. Logistic journal. Here copy. Here don't go for copy delete. Here sorry, define plant. Don't go for copy delete plant. Here you can copy, but to copy first screen means that will not go. Here just to check copy only. This is the only description purpose only. B. This is a depot plant or some other plant or anything we can take. Enter. K99B. Save. Once I did new plant means what? Again, we should do material ledger configuration and a CCAM start. Correct, na? CCAM start on for only material point of view only. Activation configuration with the company code. So for this also we should go for all setups. Which one? Sales organization. Sales organization also we are going to create a new one. Okay, that's later we will see. Assignment. Logistic general. Plant to company code. New entries. Which company code? K99B and K99B plant. Save. Back. And material management. Purchasing organization to company code. Here also. Okay, purchasing organization didn't create, na? Okay, sorry. I forget. Logistic general. Okay, purchasing organization not required here, actually speaking. Then go for here. Logistic execution. Assign shipping point. Okay, shipping point we should create compulsory. Say plant specific. Go for definition. Logistics execution. Define shipping point. Here we can copy same K99 from A to B. Here B. Wherever the new plant assignment is there, that time you should compulsory need to save. Then go for assignment of a shipping point to plant. Errors. K99B. What happened? Enter. Okay, this we'll see later. First, requirement setups. So I created new and assigned to the company code. Immediately what we should go? Directly we'll go for material ledger. Controlling. Product cost controlling. Actual costing. Assign material ledger here. This one. Material ledger type of plant. Where is the plant? Wherever the plant is there, that plant setup here. Plant is the K99B and material ledger type is the same material ledger type. See, automatically will come. 103031. Just I did copy now. See, plant and second company code. Save. See here. K99. See here. K99. Yeah, company code is the different company code. Plant is the different. But material ledger type is the both are same. 103132. And next activation of ML for second plant. K99B. Plant company code and activation price determination ML. Done. Then coming to the here, maintain dynamic ranges. This is also plant to company code specific. One, save. Back and region here. Maintain material update structure by default automatically will assign here. Assign material ledger. This one, see 991. Then last step, actual costing activate. Activating actual costing. Actual costing and one. This one same. This sorry, this is the two. First scenario same this one. Because of cross company code here. Save. Done. This is only plant only creation. And directly go for CKM start. Plant B. Background. Remove, execute. Same here also. Should not be any error. And 10, 31, 32 can be productive for this plant. Back. Remove test and then execute. This one. This is the for this setup, intercompany setup purpose. Now intra-company setup purpose. Here company code is the same, but plant only one plant. We need to create one more plant, plant A to some other plant. So B is there, C. A to C, what is the meaning? That is nothing but intra-company. And A to B means what? That is nothing but intercompany. A to B is nothing but material is a moving crossing company code. But A to C is nothing but here crossing within the same. So here A is nothing but a manufacturing act as a intercompany and intra-company. One question is there. One company code can have a intercompany, intra-company means this is the only example. See here K99GA, I am using of intercompany or intra-company. This is my production company. This is my production unit. Remaining two are depot units, either in terms of a company code and here. So in K99A, in K99A plant, I'm going to manufacturing, I'm going to sell, I'm going to transfer to within the legal and outside the our premises also. This is a possible option. So create K99C here within the same company code. So just to go and copy, automatically will come all data. Back. Then go, just this is 2 minutes. Enterprise structure, definition, logistic general. Here, this we can use. Copy, delete, check plant. Because of just I'm going to copy. Copy, delete, check plant. Copy. Why this will happen? Same company code. That's why I'm copying. Earlier scenario, I created newly entry. So here, copy of from K9NA to K99C. Enter. Enter. No transportation, not required here now. Save. Copied. Back. Then seek here, define plant. K99 B here C. Copy and paste. See here K99A, B and C. Material is moving from A to B, that is nothing but the intercompany. Material is moving from A to C, that is nothing but the intra. So here this is also we can remove here manufacturing. This is a text description only. So I created new plant. New plant means then material ledger compulsory. Go. Anyway, this is the copied. So automatically all will copy. Again, before going to check, before going to activation, we should do carefully K99B. Sorry, K99C. Copy means okay, no need of entry. Anyway, automatically will come, but here before going to CKM start, one more time double check, because of once activate we can't do anything. See, should be green status. See here, K99C and K99A. Here company code same, plans are the different. Here in this case, company code is the different, plans also different. So this is the cross company code. This is the same company code. Logic also here only.
All having same controlling area.
All are compulsory. That is the first priority. Dynamic. This is also copied. C activation. Then activate actual costing. Enter here. Then CKM start. C. Remove background job. Then execute. Same 103132. Remove tester. Then execute. This is the setup. Understand? Legal group profit center valuation with the material. Still a lot of are there. So first of all, how we are going to see? I will create a material completely process in this company code in this plant. Then I will do transfer to here and here. First, we need data for this one. First, I will create a for input raw material. I will create a FG material, same process. I will create BOM, routing, production process, everything. After that, I'm going to transfer here. First, input to material is required. We'll see first of all in accounting one tab, what is the output? Because we did something, lot of K99A raw material. Because of this is the raw material. Mechanical FG. It is a finished product, standard. Sorry, this is a raw material. No?
But mostly we transfer finished goods from manufacturer to depot.
First, I need to stock for this
Stock.
material. No?
Okay, manufacturer.
Production. I want to measure concept production. No? It's not a transfer. Okay. Enter. MRP 1, 2, 3, 4 not required. I will do stock transfer 561 movement type. Enter. K99A. K99A. Default settings. Enter. K99 raw material. Component. Unit of measure each unit. Material type. Yeah, we can do backflush automatically. Enter. And a profit center. Yeah, I didn't create. I am going to create a profit center. Same just KE51. This only I will show and then K99A underscore PC. And the profit center group standard activation. This one Valuation class, same valuation class. Last time what we used K990, I didn't do any changes. I came copy only. K99 raw material. See here. Currency type, company code currency, group valuation, group currency, profit center valuation. Ledger is the same ledger. And currency is the company code currency, group currency, group currency. So this is the 10, this is the 30, this is the 30. And this is the legal valuation, this is the group valuation, this is the profit center valuation. Earlier case, our legal will come. Now here different, and the currencies is the company code currency is the UR, and the group currency is the USD, group currency is the USD. This is the first impact of immaterial master. Just give 100, 180, 180. Enter material origin, save. Okay, here someone made it mandatory. Enter. Yes. Like this first. And FG material also I'm going to create. Finished material. Enter. Here MRP 1, 2, 3, 4 is a manufacturing material. Work scheduling. General plan data 1, accounting 1, accounting 2. Storage location K99A. FG material. Enter. MRP type no. Here. Procurement type purely manufacturing. Profit center. Valuation class. What is the valuation class here? K9. What is this? K993. Don't give any red. Automatic standard casting will come. Here. Oh, this till now I didn't do na casting sheet as well as this one. Okay, that's we'll see. Enter. Yes. Template casting sheet till now I didn't do. Okay, I want to show something results. Okay, this material I need to go extend where? In this plant and in this plant. Then only is possible. How we are going to extend means this material. What is this material? This is the material. Your material is the same. How we are going to extend in this plant, which means here before going to do one step SPRO, just I will extend under because of heavy controlling, product cost controlling, product cost planning, selected material functions. Yeah, first if you want to activate cross company code, this is the step. Cross company code we should activate. Yeah, check our K99A. Okay, new entries K99A, casting type this one, valuation variant, cross company code compulsory. First scenario. And the second is activate cross component controlling area currency. If controlling area currency and company code currency different, then this setup is required. Same earlier we did a casting type and valuation area 0. And the most important here, material costing selected for here special procurement type. See here, material in this plant manufacturing. To this plant we are transferring. To this plant also. So K99B, K99C is not a manufacturing. That is a coming from K99A. So here is the not a purchasing, not a production. How we are going? We are bringing from within the our internal K99A to K99C in this case, and K99A to K99B in this case. So here K99B is not a manufacturing, K99B is not a purchase. Then how we are going to procure this material means that is nothing but a special procurement. What is the meaning of a special procurement means we should not do purchase, we should not do production. Internally transferred. That is nothing but a special procurement. New entries. See here, in this case, material is a transferring K99A. So K99A, this is a sending. K99B, this is the receiving. So here in this down one plant option is there. That is nothing but a sending plant. Up one plant is that is a receiving plant. Here you can give KB transfer from K99A to K99B. This is the text code, okay? And how the procurement, external procurement, but not fully purchasing, that should be stock transfer. That is nothing but a U. So this KB we are going to use at the time of a creation of a material in this plant. Where? In MRP2, I will show you. First option. And the second option, go back, again new entries. In this case means material is moving from A to C. So from A here sending, receiving, here receiving. And here how? Earlier KB, now KC. Here transferring from K99A to K99C. How? Procurement with stock transfer. Enter. Save. Like this special procurement configuration we should design. And go for just extension of FG material MM01. Same material, FG material. Enter. K99B here. K99B and storage location. Storage location not created. I think plant created, not storage location. We'll see. Just 1 minute. SPRO. Just I will stop once creation of a plan because of otherwise it will not digest. Storage location. Logistic general. Sorry, material management. Storage location. K99B. You're not there. K99B. Save. It's a K99B. enter. Everything is okay. ND. And here MRP2. This is the procurement, external procurement, but not a manufacturing, not a purchase. See here, whatever we assigned. So here, if you assigned B means that is a coming from K99A to K99B. Enter. Just enter, enter, enter. Profit center. Oh, not activated. Okay, I will see. And same, similarly, just I will here. MM01 K990. I'm going to extend it to K99C. This plant. K99C, K99C. Enter. Okay, this is the copied means this one. MRP2. Procurement type F. And a special procurement KC. KC means what? From A to C is coming. Same done. Profit center. And here valuation class FG. Same, this should come. Material origin. Save. Now here check material master MM03. Go to MRP, not here. Go to accounting 1. Organization level. In which how many company course plant material extended here? Why B not saved? Okay, that I will see. See here, B also will come here. There's a B also will come. Means material A is a manufacturing from material A to material C, and material B also will first we need to extend through the special procurement time. If you assign A, go and check in MRP2 is a manufacturing. E will come. If you select organization plant C, that is a KC will come. Here is the indication. KC means what? KC is nothing but it's not a manufacturing in the K99C. It is a coming from where? Coming from K99A. So if you go for K99A, here we can able to identify this is the manufacturing plant. This is the depot plant. This is the minimum basic setups required. Still not completed, still a lot of it there. Just for enterprise structure and assign how we are going to design.
We can start next class.
Otherwise I say heavy. For me also heavy.
That's
costing sheet also pending.
Yeah, a lot of still KP06, KP26.
Oh.
Okay. Again, completely. I created new controlling area means all complete, na?
Okay, can you go up here a bit? You need to go down. Sorry, go down. Here, maintain version. Here, the steps are not there.
Okay.
Line 60.
Yeah.
Lateral.
I will add and send you.
Yeah.
Otherwise, sometimes myself is a full confusing.
Yeah, because this is very important step. These are others are regular, like creating material or creating BOM or costing sheet.
That is not a big deal. That's
This
why
one
I
is...
told you, na, in front of transfer pricing, for me, all are small things. See,
so you had given one document. You shared one document. Will that contain this? Since I haven't seen that, so will that contain all the?
that content step by step not there. Just execution transactions only I made it.
Okay.
Again, I will share this step by step configuration setup. Actually, I wanted to put now itself. I forget.
Okay.
But explanation to the client is like something.
Explanation. That's why before
This
going
is,
to start S4 HANA, if it is a material ledger, any material ledger mandatory, if they wanted to actual costing, this is the first concept.
but first we should have a proper understanding, then only we can.
That's why. Based on the some experience, you can able to thorough. And also same this process only same what I explained before going to configuration. Same concept I explained number of times to clients. They will not accept. They will not satisfy. Keep on discussing. Then only they will. Initially, they will not accept. Going on, they will come to us. We should bear their requirement.
Yeah, to have a two controlling area itself is kind of a burden for clients.
For me, right now is how many? 18 controlling areas. Company codes are almost 201 company codes. Material is a moving cross company code, within the company code, transfer pricing, legal valuation, all scenarios are there.
How do they consolidate?
That's right. First of all, understanding itself is a very big concept. That too, especially if you activate material ledger means some little bit complicated. Okay, and also just try this ChatGPT also, because of is a very good tool to understanding easily. Earlier is not there. Okay, at least now ChatGPT came, na, and we can explore our self concept.
So how did you create these prompts, sir?
That is a learning. I'm learning. Okay. Prompt engineering concept, but they are telling their own way. But all techniques, tools, and techniques I'm going to using of our AFICO. How to create a build company code, how to create a what is the transfer pricing structure, what is the material ledger, everything they are going to give. That's why still not complete, still I'm going learning. That is the end of the February is going to complete. Complete means they will not at all teach of SAP. First of all, they don't know SAP. Those techniques I am going to implement my own way. These all are my own way only. See, for example, I will show you. We did some mixed casting something. Because once we go client, in front of client, if you execute, they will impress. Immediately they will give, they will do first of all confidence and they will give sign off. See, this is the overall picture of this one, where if we go for AI tool, so not that I made it here. See here. This is the complete picture of P2P cycle. Start, purchase requisition, purchase order, goods receipt. If a price control is V, inventory, standard price, price difference. If inventory price control is a yes, GRIR clearing. Invoice, where is a price control V, there is no price difference, it will price difference. If it is a yes, price difference concept came, then exchange rate here like this. These are helping at the time of discussions with the customer, because of I implemented. Now I am implementing also. Even 1 or 2 discussions, they are satisfying because of ChatGPT only. Okay, we have a knowledge, but we should explore in front of the customer how this type of tools we can. This is we have a added advantage at the time of execution of a client. No need of multiple time. If you tell this concept, this type of a concept, easily you can make a confidence. Okay.
Okay, sir.
We'll see next week because of heavy concept. We'll see tomorrow. No, next week.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
sir. Nice.
Thank you, sir.